Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit, Mathematics for MEDICS. In this video, we will explore the key components of the unit, highlighting essential mathematical skills and assessment requirements. Get ready to discover practical strategies and pathways to mastering the mathematical concepts vital for success in medical studies. The Mathematics for MEDICS unit is a Level 3 course awarded by Ascentis. It involves a 1-hour, 30-minute open book test. The test is written with calculations and a calculator is allowed. Grading is ungraded, meaning it's pass or refer. This assessment will test your understanding of various mathematical concepts. During the test, you can bring your own notes but cannot communicate with others. Removing question papers from the room is prohibited. All workings must be shown clearly. Unless stated otherwise, answers should be given to 3 significant figures. This ensures precision and adherence to the test rules. This is a main call-out for this scene. It brings into focus the core idea being discussed. The unit covers 6 main learning outcomes. These include converting values between decimal and standard form. You will learn to apply orders of magnitude and metric conversions. Calculating percentage change in healthcare data is also covered. Additionally, you'll interpret data from tables and graphs. Converting numbers between decimal and standard form is crucial. You'll apply rules of addition, subtraction, and division. Final answers must be in standard form. Ensure all intermediate workings are shown clearly. This builds a strong foundation for accurate calculations. Learn to calculate magnification using image and actual size. Correct metric unit conversions are vital. You'll also calculate image size with known magnification. Express answers in required units for precision. Mastery of these skills is essential in medical contexts. Calculate percentage increase and decrease in healthcare data. Apply these calculations to heart rate and blood pressure readings. Answers should be written to 3 significant figures. This practice is crucial for accurate data interpretation. Such skills are indispensable in medical analysis. Reading volumes accurately from measuring cylinders is key. Convert between cubic centimeters and cubic decimeters. Calculate percentage error for volumetric apparatus. Evaluate the reliability of these measurements. These skills ensure precision in medical calculations. Calculate oral tablet dosage per administration accurately. Determine injection volume from stock concentration. Calculate intravenous infusion rates with precision. Apply weight-based dosage formulas effectively. These calculations are critical for patient safety and treatment efficacy. Plot scatter graphs from tabulated data accurately. Interpret correlations between different variables. Determine growth percentiles from charts. Calculate body mass index and interpret health categories. These skills are essential for comprehensive data analysis in healthcare. Read each question carefully during exams. Write down formulas before calculating answers. Check units and significant figures for accuracy. Label all graphs clearly to avoid confusion. Show full workings for every calculation to ensure transparency. All work must be your own to maintain academic integrity. Do not copy answers from fellow students. Use notes appropriately and follow test rules. Adhering to these guidelines ensures a fair assessment. Upholding integrity is crucial in academic and professional settings. Utilize GCSE and A-level maths revision materials for preparation. Practice healthcare calculations regularly. Refer to News 2 scoring guidance for additional support. Engage with tutor-provided practice exercises for thorough understanding. These resources will aid in mastering the unit content. This resource is created by UKversity Online. It may contain third-party materials where specified. UKversity's logos are unregistered trademarks. All reproductions must comply with license terms. UKversity reserves all rights to these items. In conclusion, you are now well prepared to apply these mathematical concepts effectively within medical contexts, enhancing both your analytical skills and practical understanding. Any questions or concerns? Send a WhatsApp message to 07484361688, and our team will gladly assist. Thank you, and see you next time.